Nice one, cool dudes. I am here in Belfast, outside the glorious City Hall. I'm only here for a very fleeting work visit, so I've got time to do a quick walk, which is the Titanic Trail. Sadly, I like to go and see a Giant's Causeway and lots of other things, but I can only fit this one in. So let's get going. This is about 2.5 miles, and I'm also going to see the Titanic Experience. Oh, exciting. Good luck, everyone, especially me. Well, the update is cool, dudes, that I got stuck taking photos of some Spanish people for 10 minutes, so I am now late for the Titanic Experience. So I've changed this to not a Titanic Trail, but Marek, in a rush to get to the time-sensitive museum entry time trail. Heading into the Titanic Quarter now, cool dudes, and this area has all been redeveloped. That is my hotel over there, and here's the view from my bedroom window. Pretty cool. The Titanic Trail has all these excellent information boards telling you about the history of the area, with some quite good photos as well, so it's worth having a read. And this is Queen's Island. It's always a bit weird coming to a city and going to the recently developed bit, because it feels probably totally unlike anything in the city and very touristy. But still, it's very nice. And this was the old Harland and Wolff shipyard. Here it is. Look how busy it was back in the day. And these are the old Harland and Wolff drawing offices where the Titanic and the Olympic were designed. It's now a hotel. During its lifetime, the shipyard here produced over 1,700 vessels. That's a tragedy. You build 1,700 vessels and one bad one ruins the whole thing for you. Poor Harland and Wolff. There is something a bit weird about everyone coming to look at an experience where loads of people died. Nice one, cool dudes. I've completed the Titanic Experience, and now I am able to understand some of the trauma experienced by the passengers just from going round the museum. Here's a question for you, cool dudes. How many rivets do you think were used in the building of the Titanic? A, more than 2 million, B, more than 3 million, or C, more than 5 million? It was more than 5 million. All in all, it is pretty odd going to a museum about a massive tragedy. 1,512 people died, but the safety things that were put in place following it probably, you know, saved more lives over the passage of time, such as having a lifeboat for every single member on board and doing proper lifeboat drills, which weren't done on this ship. Pretty interesting, right? Or wrong? You decide. Now walking down the Titanic slipway. Question of the day, cool dudes. Have you been on a cruise, and what was it like? Or would you like to go on a cruise, and how do you feel about them? Personally, going on a cruise is maybe my worst nightmare, because you'll be stuck on a ship with people who you can't really choose. Anyway, write your answers below. I'd be very interested to read them. Well, cool dudes, that is it for my Titanic walk experience thing, whatever that was. If you enjoyed that and would like to help me make more videos, you can join the club. Just choose what tier you want to support me on, and in return you get to use these emojis, get to watch all these extra videos, and you get entered into the prize draw. Who could ask for more? That's it then, cool dudes. I hope to see you soon. In the meantime, stay cool. Oh, what a lovely scene. I pretty much copied that painting off one of these sort of retro paintings and just added a sunset background. But this can be yours. Original framed masterpiece. I mean, slightly original. By me. Starting price on eBay, £9. Details to where to bid below. Alright, cool dudes. It's time for the prize draw. Before then, I'm still making horror key rings. And if you send me a horror keyring picture, it will be in the Ghost Walk episode coming up rather than this one. So if you're looking for it in the keyring gallery, it's not there. That's where it is. You can get these key rings on the CoolDuesWalkingClub.com website, as well as lots of other merch. Please get some. The prize draw this week is for the following: a Titanic chocolate bar and bookmark, a Marek Dracula keyring in a coffin, a Cooldues Walking Club bottle opener from Cow's Laser, the Spotter's Handbook, the trip to Avebury scene, badges and stickers. What a super prize. And currently there are 663 of you who have signed up on YouTube to help me make these videos. And you're all automatically in the prize draw. What I do is I put you in order of how long you've been a member, number 1 being the longest and 663 being the most recent. And then I say, random number generator, generate me a number. Generate 513, who is Dave M. And he's been a member for 6 months. Thank you, Dave, and thank you to everyone else. This prize will be on its way to you. I've got your email somewhere, I think, so I'll just email you. Alright, time for your key rings coming up now. Please remember that landscape photos look best, so please send them in landscape rather than portrait. Alright, okay, that's it. Get on with it. See you later. Oh yeah, that's not right. It's this. Stay cool.